Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to repair invalid IMEI. Please contact product server. This issue can show up after changing the firmware or setting bad IMEI values. So in order to fix this, I'm going to use SPD service tool, FURIOUSGOLD box. So let's start. So on the boot mode tab, I'm going to select our model, TA-1557. It's NOKIA 105/2023 edition. On the phone, I'm going to remove the battery, attach it back, and here on the software, I'm going to select IMEI BT relock and set the original values, which you can find on the box or on the phone back sticker. Okay, done. Now I'm simply pressing connect on the software and attach the cable to the powered off oven, having start key pressed. If everything is okay, as you can see, the software detects the phone and the work starts. So that's it. So as you can see, normal error on the device. We have here the IMEI numbers. We have a full signal, so the repair went okay. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.